My name is Lieutenant Colonel Michael Shane. I'm an MC-130J Commando 2 pilot. I'm assigned to the 492nd Special Operations Training Group, Detachment 2 at Hurlburt Field, and I'm the operations officer. So today's visit is really to interact with students and show them our aircraft as well as a representation of the 3 other aircraft we bought from Hurlburt, to basically talk to them about what a career in AFSOC might be like, what to expect, and just kind of interact with them to get them excited about thinking about going SOF and joining AFSOC, and just kind of what the life is and what the mission is, and hopefully spurring some interest in and recruiting them to AFSOC. Throughout the pilot training process, I would continue researching the aircraft we fly, and if you want to get into AFSOC, we're one of your planes, the MC-130J, the U-28, C-146, gunships, and Ospreys, so we'd love to have you. At some point, you're going to be the quarterback of very dynamic missions, whether it be infill, exfil, refueling, armed overwatch, ISR, strike capabilities. You are the quarterback of a very dynamic mission and very dynamic crews. All of our airplanes have officer and enlisted aircrew, so you are leading that charge in the forefront of our air power. The future is actually bright because we, the 492nd, the wing that I'm in, we are aligned to Columbus. So General Davidson, the AFSOC A3, put out a memorandum of a habitual relationship to all the SUPT bases. So each Special Operations Wing is assigned to a specific pilot training base. So Columbus is the 492nd. The MC-130J is an extremely dynamic and capable aircraft. It looks like a cargo plane, but we don't fly it like a cargo plane. If you're interested in low level, at night, on NVGs, air refueling, and extremely dynamic and capable mission set, we're the aircraft to go to, the MC-130J Commando 2.